Me Cody, let's go. I'm in Metro right now. Being Metro. That's such a trash joke. Okay. What the? Okay. I gotta see if that train works. Okay. Oh, don't want to do that. Wait, what did I do? Oh, I flipped it. Okay, anyways. I really don't want to, what am I talking about anyways? Alright. So there's supposed to be a train. Let's just wait for the train. Oh, chill. Alright. Oh! Hi, I'm small. Jump scale. Wait, can I still click buttons? Oh, okay, I can't click buttons. Dude, this is so cool. Dude. But where's the train? I gotta go back on the train. So wait till the train comes, and then... Oh, there it is. No, come back! Come back! Alright, okay. I didn't catch it. I'm gonna end the recording.